Welcome back to this channel Dream Comes True. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for appreciating my all videos and giving your valuable time to watch and making long comment under comment box. It means a lot to me and motivates me to make more videos. Thank you so much and stay with me as it is. Always need your support. Thank you so much. Okay. Today I want to share with you the power of mental strength. It is most demanding topic in these days. So I want to share some of the views regarding this topic. Okay. To know about this, watch this video till the end. The strength of our mind determines the quality of our life, especially when we are feeling scared, fearful or lazy. At that time, if we have ability to move, continue move. This is the sign of true mental strength. Mental strength and physical strength both are important in our life, but I believe mental strength is more important as compared to our physical strength because our mental abilities determine how we will use our mental strength and physical strength. अगर mental ability हमारी strong है ना तो हम physical ability को भी अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं, mental power को भी अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं सिर्फ mental ability के साथ. I'll give you example to explain this concept. Okay. For example, एक racer है. He has the ability to run, to win. He has a stamina, I mean to say. But during his competition, he lose his confidence. He got scared. उसके मन में ऐसे आ जाए, मैं जीतूंगा कि नहीं जीतूंगा, कहीं मैं हार ना जाऊं. ऐसे थोड़ा negative views आ जाए. That means he mentally weak at that time. तो क्या होगा? He is not able to run properly. He can't focus 100%. तो क्या वो he can't win, वो नहीं जीत पाएगा due to his mental weakness. तो I mean to say physical power को use करना है तो mentally power ज़्यादा strong होनी चाहिए हमारी, तभी हम अपनी physical ability को भी अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं. I'll give you another example. Suppose we got fever हो गया हमें. If we are mentally weak at that time, physical तो weak हो गई क्योंकि fever हो गया, but we are again if we are mentally weak also, then we are not able to get well soon. हम अच्छे नहीं होंगे due to our mental weakness. After taking so many medicines, जितनी मर्जी medicine ले लो, but if we are mentally strong, then we get ability to get well soon without taking any medicine. सच में बिना medicine लिए अगर हम mentally strong है ना तो fever से भी fight कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं कहूँ we have a ability to fight with COVID-19 also if we are mentally strong. अगर हम mentally strong हैं तो. I also explain this concept in another way. We have seen so many physical disabled persons. They become celebrities. They get success in their life. Only use of their mental power. They are not physically fit. Physical fit नहीं है वो, लेकिन mental power की को use करके वो क्या किया उन्होंने? They got success, become celebrities. There are so many examples. We all know that. I want to say some of examples like Sudha Chandan. She is not physically fit, but she is great dancer. Nicholas James, Nick के नाम से जानते हैं हम उसको. He was born with absence of limbs. Limbs नहीं है उसके, but he has the ability to swim, play football, pretty much do everything as normal person do. Only because of their mentors. Another example I want to share with you, Muniba Mazari. She belongs to Pakistan. At the age of 21, she met with a terrible accident. Her left lower body part paralyzed and also facing so many physical problems. But despite of facing all physical problems, she didn't lose her courage, her confidence. Due to his mental power, using their mental strength, now she becomes prolific artist, motivational speaker, television host, and interesting wheelchair model. आप सर्च करना गूगल में उसके बारे में. She जब हम उसकी स्पीच सुनते हैं ना, we get a lot of confidence, lot of courage. I mean, their mind is free to do anything. Self-confidence is the biggest strength, and our courage get us success and fame. You know, God gave everyone at least one special ability. We just have to find out what's ours. हमने सिर्फ वो स्पेशल एबिलिटी को फाइंड आउट करना है, क्या है हमारी वो स्पेशल एबिलिटी, तो उसको हमने यूज करके अचीव सक्सेस इन आवर लाइफ। पर हम क्या करते हैं जो हमारे पास नहीं होता उसके बारे में सोचते रहते हैं, उसके पास तो ये है, उसके पास तो ये है, मेरे पास तो नहीं है। इस चक्कर में क्या करते हैं, जो हमारे पास होता है ना उसको भी हम अच्छे से यूज नहीं कर पाते। तो ऐसी सोच हमारी हमें जिंदगी में आगे नहीं बढ़ने देती। तो हमने इसको छोड़ देना है। जो हमारे पास जो स्पेशल एबिलिटी है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करके वी कैन अचीव व्हाट वी वांट टू बिकम इन आवर लाइफ। ओके, आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग मोर रिगार्डिंग दिस। एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग 87% of our first thoughts are negative. It's a fact and it's a normal thing. I mean to say, जब भी कोई नया काम करते हैं ना, कुछ भी नया करते हैं हम अपनी लाइफ में, तो पहले हमारे थॉट्स है ना क्या होंगे, इतने नेगेटिव होंगे। कोई भी सपोज करो जैसे हमने कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है तो क्या होगा, पता नहीं चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, अगर ना चला तो, अगर इतना लॉस हो जाएगा, सो मैनी नेगेटिव व्यूज रिगार्डिंग दिस, ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, ऐसे नेगेटिव व्यूज पहले सेंड करने स्टार्ट कर देंगे हम। हमारे खुद के व्यूज ही नेगेटिव है तो किसी से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि वो हमें पॉजिटिव बताएगा उसके बारे में। एवरीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड बिगिंस एंड हैपेंस एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ द पावर ऑफ आवर थॉट्स। इफ वी वांट टू बी मोर मेंटली स्ट्रांग, हेल्दियर, resilient and happier, we have to fight battle with the mind of ours. You know, mental strength doesn't come naturally, ऐसे नहीं अपने आप आने वाली। We have to train our brain to turn our negative thoughts into another direction. As most people think that the reality was out of control, they may even think that some situations are happen to us are predestined. पहले से determine कर लेते हैं ये तो हमारे साथ होना ही है। But in reality, we create our destiny through our thoughts. ऐसे बोलते रहते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स, इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारी लाइफ में, ये प्रॉब्लम्स है वो प्रॉब्लम्स है। एक्चुअल में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स होती नहीं, वो हमारे माइंड से की गई होती है। आपको नहीं यकीन है तो आप ट्राई करके देखो, मैं ट्रिक बताती हूँ आपको एक। क्या करो, आप जितनी भी आपको लगता है ना आपकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है, उसको नोटबुक पे नोट डाउन करना स्टार्ट कर दो, लिखना स्टार्ट करो। जब आप लिखना स्टार्ट करोगे ना, हाफ तो वैसे ही गायब हो जाएगी, तो क्या बची, हाफ बची। हाफ में पता है जब आप लिखोगे ना तो आप उसको रीड करोगे, जब रीड करोगे अपने ही लिखी हुई प्रॉब्लम्स को, तो खुद ही कहोगे ये तो ऐसे ही है, इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, ऐसे बेफालतू सी प्रॉब्लम है। एक्चुअली में है नहीं, क्योंकि वो माइंड से क्रिएट की गई होती है, एक्चुअली रियल में नहीं है। सो स्टॉप थिंकिंग वी आर वीक, वी हैव प्रॉब्लम्स, वर्क ऑन योर थॉट्स, वी बिकम, वी थिंक एंड फील। नो नीड टू करेक्ट आउटसाइड फ्रॉम एनीवन, जस्ट करेक्ट योरसेल्फ। Don't run away from your problems. Running away from problems make you mentally weak. Don't worry, face it. No matter how terribly weak we are in front of our problems, ये मैटर नहीं करता हम प्रॉब्लम्स, अगर वो हमारे माइंड की सिचुएशन है, अगर हमें लगेगा प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत बड़ी हैं तो वो बड़ी हो जाएंगी और हम छोटे हो जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर हम उसको कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ फेस करेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम छोटी हो जाएंगी और हम बड़े हो जाएंगे। I mean to say, we have get a lot of energy to face our problems if we are mentally strong. I'll explain this by giving another example. Imagine someone is pointing a gun to your head and he says to you, in 10 seconds, I will put the trigger and you will die. You ask him, do I have any other option? Then he replies, not at all. Now get ready to die. What will you do now? मरने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, तो आप क्या करोगे? You have two options. First, die helplessly. Second, try to snatch the gun and shoot the shooter with it. कौन सी ऑप्शन चूज करोगे? Two टाइप्स के पर्सन होते हैं. Suppose करो, if the person is mentally weak and pessimist, he will be murdered brutally. And choose option A. A ऑप्शन चूज करेगा तो हेल्पलेसली ऐसे मार दो, शायद वो शूट करने से पहले डाई हो जाए, है ना? ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी है मेंटली वीक पर्सन की। इफ द पर्सन इज मेंटली स्ट्रांग एंड ऑप्टिमिस्ट, ही चूज द ऑप्शन 2। अगर ऑप्शन वो 2 चूज करेगा, आइदर वन ऑफ द 3 थिंग्स हैपन विद हिम। 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं। फर्स्ट, ही विल सक्सीड in snatching the gun and shoot the shooter down. Second, he will die trying. कोशिश करते हुए क्या होगा? Die होगा. And third possibility, he will succeed snatching the gun and as well as shoot the shooter down, but he himself get partially injured. तो तीन possibilities हैं, तीनों ही क्या है? Positive. Even if he died trying, he himself in the last second, the entire world will remember him as a hero, as a brave man. But if he died helplessly, not the entire world, not even talk about a bit. They will be forgotten as soon as possible. Now, what you want to become is entirely up to you. अभी ये आप ही पे डिपेंड करना है, आपने ऐसे हेल्पलेसली डाई हो जाना है जहाँ अपनी प्रॉब्लम को फाइट करके वांट टू सक्सेस इन देयर लाइफ, जहाँ सक्सेस को अचीव करना है. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू another example. In the jungle, which animal is the biggest? We all know that elephant. And which animal is the fastest? We all know that cheetah. Which animal is the wisest? We all know that fox. And which animal is the tallest? Giraffe. Among all these wonderful qualities, where is the lion? Elephant, fox, cheetah, giraffe. I consider only 4 animals. Where is the lion? We all know that lion is the king of the jungle. Even without any of these qualities, कोई क्वालिटी नहीं है उसमें. Why? Because the lion is courageous, very bold. He is always ready to face challenges and any barrier crosses his path, no matter how big or bad they are. Lion walks with confidence. He dares anything. He is never afraid. He believes that he is unstoppable. He is risk taker. He believes that every animal is food for him. He believes any opportunity is worth giving a try and never let it slip from his hands. Lion has a charisma. What is that we get to learn from the lion? We don't need to be fastest, wisest, smartest and brilliant. All we need courage and boldness. All we need to will to try. All we need to faith in believe it is possible. All we have to need to believe in our own self that we can do it. So it is the time to bring out the lion in you. I mean to say, to become a mentally strong, we get confidence, courage and boldness. At last I want to say, mental strength is a skill which can be learned over time. Just as we work on our physical fitness, on the same way we can improve our mental strength. If we are willing to work on it every day, then definitely we will become mentally strong person. Okay, that's all about our today's video. The secret of mental strong person. I want to share some of the steps, but in my next video. Stay with me as it is. Okay, and if this video is beneficial for you, share with your friends. Subscribe this channel if you are newbie here and press the bell icon button. Thank you.